go through 3 stages.
Where we at, verse 2 and 3?
It has to go through the
Verse 3. Jacob loved Joseph more than any of the other children because Joseph had been born to him in his old age. So one day Jacob had a special gift made for Joseph, a beautiful robe. Now that robe, I want you to understand, it was more like a robe type jacket, long thing with long sleeves, and it had different colors to it. It had different materials. And that gave him the glory that his brothers was jealous of. So all the different situations that you're going through in your life, that's putting your jacket together. That's giving you that glorious looking robe of all the different colors. See, we don't like pain. We don't like when we have to go through things. I mean, think about it. Like they say, it's not good to me, but it's good for me. Because when I'm going through stuff, I try to have peace, but at the same time, it just puts you in a position where you just don't like it. It's something about pain that the body just rejects. But that's making your glory that much greater. Because God is setting you up for something. We're going to see it with Joseph.
For it's all to run. It has to go through the shaking, the beating, and the pressing. And just like the olive, some of you may have felt like you've gone through the shaking, the beating, and the pressing. You went through all of that for your oil to flow. Now your greater is coming. If it had not been for the shaking, I never would have been ready for the making.